Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analyzing the three major US indexes for the final time this week. Today was Jobs Friday, so there was lots of volatility, so I have a very good video installed for you guys. But just before we go there, anyone who's interested in receiving my trading signals as well as my daily market research and want to join my trading signal group, then make sure you visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. The website link is in the description of today's video. Scroll down, click on the link, it will take you to this website. Once on the website, all you have to do is click join now. Also, I just want to start today's video by saying a massive congratulations to everyone who is in my signal team. All 86 of you. We closed out that Nasdaq100 trade, 2.5% yielded there. So a massive congratulations to everyone. But as you can see, the markets have ripped higher today. S&P500 up 0.8 of a percentage point, and this is largely due to the fact the jobs number come in slightly lighter than expected at 175,000 jobs versus 250,000 expected. This is the first time we've broken the jobs number in over a year, guys. So some really big news today. But I think what's more important here is that the S&P 500 has managed to hold its trend from early October, and we've continued to trade high. In fact, we've broken above the swing highs of this Monday, and that was a very key, a very key milestone that we had to achieve in order for us to, kind of continuous rally back up towards the March peak. So that's it, all the way up at 5,268. So this is very good news going into next week. When I kind of zoom out and look at this week, it has been very bullish for the overall stock market. We had Jerome Powell on Wednesday that sounded a lot more dovish than many were expecting, and then we've just had the jobs number to back up that dovishness. So in my opinion, I think it's highly likely now that we do see a rate cut in either July or September. Nasdaq100, this is the trade that me and my signal team closed out today. We took the money and ran. We've broken above the 50-day EMA. Very likely that we close there unless something majorly bad happens before now and the closing bell in a few hours' time. But once again, a massive congratulations to everyone. 2.5% yielded here on that trade. But very similar to the S&P 500, we've broken above Monday's swing highs, and now this, in my opinion, pretty takes us higher. I just thought it was a reasonable thing to close the profits ahead of the weekend, as I don't want to take any added on risk. And then finally, just looking at the DowJones30, 38,671. We've broken above the 50-day EMA. We're now testing the 20-day EMA line here. So, a break above that pretty takes us back up towards the all-time highest here, around 40,000. Just before I end today's video, finally, I just want to quickly focus on the US dollar. I've been calling for a big fall here in the dollar. That's exactly what's happened today. We've seen the dollar fall down to, I think at its lows was around 1.45. Ultimately, I do expect this to continue its trend lower down towards 100. Same for the 10-year. 10-year today also traded down towards around 4.453. It has paired some of those losses, and we're now trading back above 4.5. But ultimately, guys, I do think going into August we're going to see a continuation of this fall lower here for the TNX and US dollar, which of course will act as a tailwind for US equity prices. That's going to wrap it up for this week, guys. Don't forget, over the weekend, if any of you have some spare time and you want to join my signal team, then make sure you visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. The website link is in the description of today's video. Have a lovely weekend, all, and I'll see you here on Monday.